Hi friends! Want to draw an eye? You're in the right place. Let's give it a try. So this is a realistic eye tutorial, so let's start. So I looked for many eye references, but I found a very beautiful and easy to draw eye. In our case, it is just in straight angle. So we must draw a circle, and now we draw another circle and iris. It is usually just twice smaller. And we draw a pupil. And now we must create the shape of the eye. As you can see, it is not hard to do an eyelid. First, I just make an oval shape to understand what shape the eye is, but don't leave it like that because the eye will look very strange like this. Now I'm lightly erasing everything and we'll make a more normal eyelid shape. And I forgot that the pupil on the photo is tiny, so I need to make it smaller. Now I erase it all again because I will draw the clear outline. And now, to make our eye more realistic, we need to draw the thickness of the eyelid. And don't forget to draw lacrimal caruncle. Now we shade, don't be afraid. First I make the pupil because it is the darkest point of our eye, and then I make the outline of the iris. You can just repeat after me because it is hard to explain how to shade our iris. Now we shade a little the sclera. By the way, I blend it with my finger. And then we shade eyelids. Now I took the 6B pencil, it is very dark, and began to draw the eyelashes. Then I added some details. Now I took the white paint and added some glares. And I almost forgot to make small blood vessels. And here it is, our gorgeous eye. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Like the video, subscribe on my channel, and bye. See you soon.